Press the bell icon to never miss a video from testbook.com.
Hello everyone, I am Pratibha Singh and here on the demand I am with the IB Security Assistant previous year paper of English language. So first of all, let's know the pattern of here 2019 I should say. Here tier 1 general awareness marks 40 marks ka, and quant 20 marks ka, logic and analytical ability 20 marks, and English language it will be of 20 marks, and the time duration is of 2 hours. And here tier 2 also, yani ki mains exam will also be conducted here. So here translation of a passage of 500 words from local language dialect to English and vice versa, 40 in 1 hour. And spoken ability here this will be of 10 questions. And here tier 3 interview personality test, so that will be of 50 marks here. So here you can go to our website and check the here IB Security Assistant syllabus also, and it is very important that there will be negative marking of 1/4 mark for each wrong answer. No marks would be awarded for unattempted questions. Once again, that there would be negative marking in the paper. So here we very attentive while attempting the questions. And here let's come to our English language. Error spotting 1 to 2 questions. Fill in the blanks here 5 to 10 questions. Direct and indirect speech 2 questions. Active and passive voice 2 questions. Phrase replacement 2 questions, and close as 5 questions. So on these basis, these are the most important topics, and you can see that these topics similar to IBPS exam, SSC exam, as here synonym, antonyms, phrase and idioms, spellings, one word substitution, reading comprehension, parajumbles. So once again here 2 question you can expect in the paper. So be ready with your vocabulary also. Here now we discuss our previous year questions. So here our first question, to decamp would mean. So here to decamp it is to leave suddenly and unexpectedly, usually without telling anyone. Let's take an example. He decamped from the hotel with someone else's luggage. So here D is the correct answer, to leave suddenly. To decamp is to leave suddenly. Here you need to figure out which pair is wrongly matched. It's like reasoning question: discrete, separate, gamut, whole, exacerbated, increase. So here discrete is separate, so careful not to cause embarrassment or attract too much attention, especially by keeping something secret. Gamut, the whole range of things, so whole is the synonym, discrete once again is the synonym. Exacerbated, so the meaning of exacerbated, it means to make something that is already bad even worse, here to worsen something. So here and elude, and here we have escape. So elude, it is to mention someone or something in a brief or indirect way. In Hindi we say ullekh karna. So that's why the answer is D here, because these are not the synonym here. As you can see, all these given words are the synonym of each other. So elude is not the synonym of escape. Here we have our idiom, a devil's advocate. So the meaning of devil's advocate, it is the answer, a counter argument presenter. So devil advocate, it is someone who pretends in an argument or discussion to be against an idea or plan that a lot of people support here in order to make people discuss and consider it more detail. So it is a counter argument presenter, devil's advocate. So B is the right answer here. Satish heard it from the horse's mouth. And here horse's mouth means from an authoritative source. That means किसी बहुत ही reliable source से किसी चीज़ को सुनना. So if you hear something straight from the horse's mouth, you hear it from the person who has direct personal knowledge of something or knowledge of it. That means something you want to know. So get the information from direct sources. Satish heard it from the horse's mouth. That means it is very reliable information he got. Here we have our next question. Satish is seated besides or beside. So once again, very easy question. Besides, the meaning is in addition to, and beside, by the side of. So here in Hindi we will say के बगल में, and beside in addition to, यानी कि के अलावा. So the answer will be B. Satish is seated beside Sunita. यानी कि सुनीता के बगल में बैठा हुआ है. Here we have our next question. It is very important question. I have not studied a lot lately. So they have asked, and it is a different kind of question because usually SSC exam or IVPS exam, they don't take questions, such kind of questions here. Lately is N. So you have to tell the parts of speech. What part of speech is this here? Adverb or adjective or noun or preposition. So lately when you add ly as a suffix, it becomes an adverb here. So lately is what? It is an adverb here. And here late is what? Late is adjective and adverb both. So you will have to go through the parts of speech chapter. Here once again a different kind of question. Which sentence of following is correct here? So you can say it is a kind of sentence correction, or you must say error detection. The flowers was arranged. The flowers, there should be were arranged, though it cannot be the right answer here. The meeting start promptly at 1100. The meeting starts. So here we cannot say that this is the correct answer. Computers save time. So no error in this part. That's why C is the correct answer. Let's go through the D option as well. Lightning strike indiscriminately. Light strikes. Here it cannot be the right answer. Now C is the correct answer. Here none of the minutes was wasted. None of time was wasted. Is any of the pizza left? So here you have to identify the correct sentence. So first you will to know that what is none. So it is the pronoun form of no. So none means not one or anyone, not any, and we use it as a pronoun once again. So here, and when none is used as the subject, it depends on the context. The verb can either be singular or plural. Both verbs we can use. So here I'm always looking for inspiration. None ever comes here. And here she is always looking for ideas. None ever come. So here you can use singular verb and plural verb both. So here in the context, none of the time was wasted here. B is the correct answer, as in the given context none of the time was wasted. You will use here singular verb was. Here once again the instructions are different among the two statements. Here, you have to figure out which one is correct. Either Satish or Sejal takes out the garbage. Each of these prescriptions have. So, with each and every one, you take singular verb. That's why here singular verb will be used. And here, first is correct, second is incorrect. Once again, you can say it is error detection, but here instructions are different. Each of these subscription has side effects, so we cannot use have. That's why second one is not the correct sentence. B is the right answer here. Here, choose a sentence that has incorrect form of words. So here, when will you bring your pictures to work? In the sentence that has incorrect form of words, so here, bring your picture to work, it should be when will you bring your picture to work. So here, it is your responsibility to go into details, it is the correct sentence. If you're planning to attend, to do let me know, this is the correct sentence. None of the above. Here we have incorrect uses of word, that's why the right answer would be this one. This is the correct sentence, that's why we cannot take this as a correct option, and this is also the correct option, that's why we cannot take it as a correct option here. So you just need to go through the sentence or our instruction carefully. So read the instructions carefully here. Here our next question, and it is very easy question. I will have heard her speak on Friday. I would hear. I would have heard. I will hear. So I will hear her speak on Friday night about advantages of organic gardening. So D is the right answer here. Here is the next question. Choose an incorrect or incomplete sentence. The child in the park, including all those on the swings. Here, this sentence is the incomplete sentence. Sarita is an excellent school teacher. Complete sentence. She could not believe the premise of the story. So this is the complete sentence. I saw Dr. Ghosh because Dr. Khan was on leave. Complete sentence. So the incorrect sentence is the first one, and that is the right option here. What is not correct if nest is to bird? Here once again read the instruction carefully. Here what is not correct they have asked. If next is to bird, hangar is to aircraft, correct. Vault is to money, correct. Orchestra is to music, correct. But wine is to bees, no. It is not correct. That's why D is the correct option, as not correct option is the correct option. They have asked not correct. So the answer would be wine is to bee. Here we have the exact opposite of lascivious here would mean. The meaning is here expressing a strong desire for sexual activity. So here it is devoted, chaste, fluid, or manifest. Here what would be the opposite of it? Here we have repercussion would mean. So here reaction, conclusion, recollection, clever reply. So we have reaction, repercussion is reaction. Here, do you like to go out to an Italian restaurant tonight? Are you liking, you like, would you like? So when we ask in informal way, we always use would you like here, because are you liking, no. You like, no, as it is in interrogative form, and in continuous form we cannot ask. So would you like to go out to an Italian restaurant tonight? This is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Here, excuse me, you have the time please? No. What is time please? No. Here, what time please? No. Have you got the time please? क्या आपके पास समय है? So here C is the correct answer. He likes reading. He was a. Here we have anxious, enthusiastic, voracious, fervent. So here we have voracious is the correct answer. And what is voracious? It is very eager for something, especially it is a lot of food. And when we refer voracious for readers, so someone who reads a lot and very eagerly and very quickly. If we refer someone as a voracious reader, if I say ki she is a very voracious reader, so that means very eager, he reads eagerly or quickly. So it cannot be an anxious, enthusiastic, fervent, it cannot be. And fervent, we used to describe beliefs that are very strongly felt, or people who have a strong and sincere belief. Fervent. Here we have our next question. I remember my sister taking me to the museum. So here you have to choose the best fit among the alternatives. I remember I was taken to the museum. Here, who took you to the museum? It is not mentioned, that's why A cannot be the right answer. Now you will have to go through all the options. I remember being taken to the museum by my sister. Okay, I can take it as an option. Let's go to another option also. I remember myself being taken to the museum by my sister. So here it is a very myself being taken. No, so that's why it cannot be the correct answer. I remember taken to the museum by my sister. Here we have our best option or most appropriate answer B1. I remember being taken to the museum by my sister. Here we have our next question, next idiom. To make a clean breast. So to gain prominence, no. To praise oneself, here, no. To make a clean breast, to confess everything, or we say to tell the truth of about something. Here, to destroy everything, it cannot be the right answer. Here we have our next idiom, and it is to be overboard. To have a good height, no. To be honest, yes. Here, to be overboard, it means to be legal and honest. To have no debts, to be beautiful, no. Here it is very common one word substitution. Unintelligible, that cannot be corrected. Undeliable, no. Eligible, no. Uncorrigible. Here we have a state in which few govern the many is called monarchy. What is monarchy? It is rule or government by king or queen. So monarchy is not the right answer. Oligarchy, yes. So it is a state in which government by few people. So it is the correct answer. Let's see other option as well. So plutocracy. So here government by, here we say big people. Or who are the big people? They are rich people of the country. Rich people, rich of country. So plutocracy. And autocracy. Auto means self. When you govern yourself, it is the autocracy. Self government. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this session, you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks a lot.